Today we are going to look at how to communicate between two LANs and using a router simply between them. And we will be doing it everything from the start. And if you find this lengthy and boring, you can skip it. I will be putting a link in the description at that instant when we will have all the setup done. So you can do the setup on your own if you know it. Otherwise, you can follow with me. We will be doing it from the initial starting, from the zero ground. So we have selected this router 4321 for communicating with our two LANs. We need at each LAN for the better, like we can have these two switches over there. All right, switch 2, switch 3, anything we can have. And we can have some devices over there. Let's have some devices, some PC. Let us keep just two devices over there. We can have one laptop, one server over there. We can have anything. So this is my LAN 1, this is my LAN 2. Let us put some color over there to distinguish between them. Go there. I've selected this color and we can simply select it. It's not working. Okay, let's do again. Go there. Select a color. Okay. Go there and that's it. Again, go there, select another color and select it. That's it. So these are two different LANs with different colors. We can see, identify them really easily. Now that's it for it. We just need to link it up with wires. We will be using it. PC1 connected to this switch, this one, laptop connected to this switch. Interface fast Ethernet 0, 0, fast Ethernet 0 by 1, 0 by 2. Now this particular switch is connected to this router. This particular laptop is connected to this switch. This particular server is also connected to this switch. We can have this switch connected to this router. Orange means setting up, setting up, setting up. Green means everything okay at the physical layer. 0, this means no, there is something wrong over there. So these are symbols over there, simply colors. So it will become green after some time, just believe me. So till then we have done it. Let us give this network LAN an IP address. Let it be 192.168.10.0, 192.168.20.0 for this one. And so that this interface we are putting the first IP address. First IP address we are putting on this side of the interface of the router, which is interface G 0 by 0 by 0. So let's put the IP address as using this. We can go 192.168.10.1 for this one, and we can have 192.168.20.1 for this interface. Now let us assign some IP address. Let us represent it 192.168.10.2. all right. Similarly, we can have this laptop as 192.168.10.3. we can go there and configure it. We can go there and configure it from there as well, and we can also configure directly. So let's just do it like this. Now there is one thing that we have to do. Till now in other videos we have seen that we are not doing anything with the default gateway. Here we have to look into the default gateway, because if I want to communicate outside my LAN, this MAC address and ARP sort of thing, that ARP protocol and all bullshit, will not work here. We need IP address that is handled over there. So if something is, this is 192.168.10.0, it means that is my what I say, network address, my LAN address. But if I want to communicate something outside of my LAN, this ARP, MAC address and all sort of stuff will not work. For that, I want a default gateway, which will be this. And this default gateway will provide me access to the networks other than my inter-network. So for inter-network communication, inside within the network means intra-network, outside means between the networks means inter-network. For that, we need to have a default gateway. Let us put this node over there, this interface, as a default gateway for all the devices in this particular LAN. Let's go and do it. 192.168.10.1. This is my default gateway. Alright. Similarly, for this one guy over there, for laptop, let's do it from there. Ethernet, we can also do it from here also. I'm just showing you different ways of doing the same thing. Alright. Now go to the settings. We can also set it up over there using the desktop and all configuration, but let's simply play the different ways. So I'm just showing you different ways you can do. You can verify it. You go there, everything is set up. So this way or that way, do the same thing. I'm just showing you different options. Similarly, here we can also have IP address. Let it be like 20.2. Copy it. Similarly, server is set up. Oh voila, we have to have different one. Okay, let it be 3. Alright, let's go and play with it. Play in the sense, change it. We have to go to the fast Ethernet, go there, change it, go to the settings, default gateway .1. That's it, done. We can verify it over there. Okay, everything done. Go to hell. Now it is also done. Here also we go to the fast Ethernet 20.3. done. Well, 20.1, it is also done. Now we can see this switch and all sort of stuff is working. It is actually, router is not set up. If I just go and hold on the cursor over there, I just got rid of I just removed my hands from the mouse. Simply, if I just look, you can observe that gigabit Ethernet 0x0x0, it is down. The link is down. That's why it is red. And 0x0x1 is also down. So we have to set it up. Let us go and play with the router. The actual game starts over here. So before that, let me show you, like, yeah, we can communicate with this, but we cannot communicate with this. So let me give you that assertion, like, yeah, we have, whatever we have until now is working 100%. So ping 192.168.10.3. So I can communicate. I, being a PC, can communicate to the laptop within my own LAN. But I cannot communicate with any PC of other LAN, the server. It will not do anything. It will show like timed out. Yeah, that's it. I can neither communicate with my default gateway as well. You can see it will also not do anything. Why? Let me see. Okay, now why I'm saying that? Because we can see this link is down. We have seen the configuration, so we have to go and play with the router. So this is our router. Let's go there, configuration. Now I will suggest you, in this video we will be putting everything here. Then I will suggest you to open Notepad and write the script and paste it over here. So it is asking us no. Okay, we have already entered no. We have to put the enter to get started. Come on. It has hanged. Again I have to restart and let's see what happens. Go to CLI. Sorry, I was there at configuration. Nothing can happen there. Go to CLI. Enter this. Now this is the different modes. This is simple user mode. Let us go to enhanced mode, EN, or we can use enhance. Now write config T, and config T simply for the global configuration. Go there, and we have the interfaces. Now we have to set up the interfaces. Now go to the interface settings of interface G 0x0x0, and you can also verify that by going there. You can see 0x0x0 gigabit. Alright, so interface G 0x0x0, and you can see this has changed from config, global config, to config of interface. Now let us assign it IP address. IP address 192.168.10.1 and the default mask 255.255.255.0, and that's it. Now routers have shut down like they shut down after like automatically. We don't want them to shut down, we don't have them up and running. For that we can add no sh, and that's it. We can end it, we can come out of the interface like 0 configuration. Similarly, interface 2 we can also set up int g 0 by 0 by 1. Alright, we have to go to the configuration first of all, config t. Then after ending, it will come out of the configuration also. So I have to enter the configuration after re-entering this command, config t, global configuration. Let us repeat it. Okay, g 0 by 0 by 1. And now similarly we can have the IP address. You can just keep pressing the upper arrow to get the same thing that I have over there, 20 dot. So we can see everything is okay. Alright, let's go. Now we also need to tell it like I don't want this link to be done, no sh. Okay, we can come out of it. Okay, and wr I have to do that just to write it so that everything is written over there and saved. For saving it, whatever I have made the changes I have made, for saving them the command is wr. After that we can see like I want to simply show IP interface briefly, then show for sh, IP for IP simply, int for interface, br for brief, and let's go. Voila, we can see this is the interface, this is the like interface, the IP address assigned to this interface, the gigabit like interface, this one, and the IP address assigned to it. Now bye bye Mr. Router. We will do the same thing. What we did, we were on this PC, we were trying to communicate using ping request to this laptop. We also tried to communicate with the interface, even we could not communicate with the interface, we could not communicate with anything over there. Now here we can see one change, that everything is green, means link is up. And if you just go and hold on the cursor over there, you will see link is up for the gigabit Ethernet 000 both of them. Let's go and without any waste of time, let's go and try to do the same thing. It was saying like a request timeout. Let us do the same thing. It will not say that, it will receive a reply. That's it. Now let's try to communicate with a device, with the server. So what is the IP address of the server? The IP address of the server is 20.3. all right. And we will see it will work. Come on guy, come on. Yeah, it's working. And we can also see the trace route. We can see there are 2 hops. First is my own interface and second one is the destination. Now the packet is going from there, going there, and from there to this interface. So this is the first hop, and then finally to the destination. This is the server, second hop. This router, then this router, simply like that. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will learn more things and more topics, and see you in the next video. If you have any doubts, you can put in the comment section, and if you have any suggestions also, you can put them over there. And if you want to get the same thing over there, you can go to my GitHub account, which is simply Cypher Nullbyte, and you can go there and you will have access to all these packet tracers, these packet files. Just go to file section and open the downloaded files from the GitHub, and you can play with the same thing over there. I will also put the actual link in the description. So that's it for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.